Hi, Bloomingpixie. Happy Hearts Day. Thanks for the food. Is this for me? No? What are we gonna do today?
Ano gagawin natin?
Secret. Shh.
I think you can hear me clearly, guys. Even if there's construction going on outside, I wish you can hear me properly. I'm done prepping up for today's event, and before anything else, I would be unboxing this toy from, actually this is the third toy from Longleaf Play PH that they have sent me. If you're looking for game merchandise, Star Wars lightsabers, you can check out their page. The link is just there on the description. Today we have here this launcher. As you can see, it's a tissue launcher. We'll be needing some tissue and water. Today we'll be trying this out. You can get this at Longleaf Play PH. But first, let's try to figure out how to use this first. Ow. Okay. We're not gonna... Ooh. Ugh. Let's cut this out. Let's check the photo. There's no manual. So we're gonna attach the trigger here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let's attach this. Huh? This? Oh, yeah. Is that right? Let's check the other stuff first. Where are you gonna put this? Oh, here. There. Okay. Then we're gonna put this one here. There. It's locked and loaded. So we need to put water here. Carefully. So let's put the water here. The tissue. Oh, we're just gonna clip the tissue here. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I can see the tissue. There. There's tissue under. Okay, I think I can fix it. Can you see that? There's tissue inside. There's too much tissue inside. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. One more time. It's so messy on my laboratory. Gonna do this again. One last time, but this time it's gonna be okay. And lock this in. My camera. Anyway, it's working now. Finally. I'm done fixing my weapon for today. Can't wait to try it out with my sister. But first, I'm gonna clean my camera. Hey! Shut. Say hi. How's the experience? Okay? So, mas madami na siyang nililinis. Kamusta naman? Ah!